Before you decide to buy the Finance iPhone mobile app, there are a few things you need to know to make sure it's the right choice for you. With so many similar apps out there, you want to be sure you're making the best decision. Let's break down the key points. First off, the Finance app is praised for its simplicity. Unlike some other apps that can overwhelm you with complicated features, this one focuses on what you really need: tracking spending, budgeting, and managing finances in a clean, easy-to-use interface. That said, it doesn't have as many advanced investment tracking tools as some competitors, so if you're looking for those features, you might want to consider others. Next thing, customization. This app is flexible, allowing you to adjust categories for your spending and set up notifications to track your budget. However, it lacks the deep customization that apps like Mint or WineAB offer. Those apps allow for more tailored options when it comes to managing your personal financial goals, while this app keeps things pretty standard. The third thing, data syncing. The Finance app works well with syncing data from your bank accounts and credit cards, but it isn't as fast as some others, like Personal Capital, which provides almost real-time syncing. So, if you need quick updates on your finances, you might experience slight delays here. The fourth thing is security. The app uses industry-standard encryption to protect your financial information, which is reassuring. Still, it's important to know that it doesn't have the multi-factor authentication that some other high-end apps have, offering an extra layer of protection for your sensitive data. Moving on to the fifth point, integration with other financial tools. This app isn't as integrated with investment platforms as some alternatives. If you're someone who likes to see everything in one place, this might feel a bit limiting. Apps like Wealthfront and Personal Capital excel here, providing a broader view of your financial health, including investment performance. Next up, support. The Finance app has decent customer support, but it doesn't offer 24/7 live chat, which is something competitors like WineAB and Mint excel at. If you're someone who needs immediate help, this could be a drawback. The seventh thing is budgeting. If your primary goal is budgeting, this app does a solid job. It offers a variety of budgeting methods, but it's not as robust as apps like WineAB, which gives you a full-on system for zero-based budgeting and detailed goal setting. Still, it does the job for most users who just want to track income and expenses. The eighth thing is the mobile experience. The app works well on your phone, but unlike some other apps like Mint, it doesn't have a full desktop version. So, if you prefer managing your finances on a larger screen, you might want to look elsewhere. The ninth thing, recurring bill tracking. This app helps you stay on top of subscriptions and bills, which is a handy feature. However, it doesn't automatically detect recurring payments the way some other apps do, so you'll have to manually enter them, unlike apps like Truebill, which does this for you. The 10th thing is reporting and insights. The Finance app provides basic reports on your spending and saving habits, but it lacks the in-depth financial insights and trends that you get with apps like Personal Capital, which offers more detailed graphs and data to help you understand where your money is going. Next thing to consider, updates. The Finance app is updated regularly, but not as frequently as some competitors like Mint, which tends to roll out new features and improvements faster. While the Finance app is stable, it may feel a bit behind the curve when it comes to innovation. The 12th thing, pricing. The app is free to use, but for premium features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid version. While this can be worth it for those who want advanced features, you'll find that competitors offer similar features with more flexibility in their free versions. So, is the Finance app a good choice for you? Overall, it's a solid option for those who want a simple, straightforward way to manage their finances without too many bells and whistles. It's great for tracking your budget and spending, but it may not offer enough for those who need more complex tools or integration. If you're looking for something a little more advanced, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free and see if it fits your needs better.